to see you again, and welcome to our first timers. Hope you get to enjoy this channel with us. If you haven't done so yet, go ahead and subscribe underneath. That way every week can come from my kitchen to your kitchen and we can have fun together cooking these great little recipes. Hey, today it's an easy, quick dinner. Chicken piccata is basically chicken with a lemon butter caper sauce. This is so simple, so quick, you can make it anytime for dinner. All you need is a bit of chicken, a lemon, a nub of butter, a tablespoon of capers, a bit of chopped parsley, and you're done. It's that easy and that quick, but it's absolutely delicious. Sit back, let me show you how we cook this. piccatina di pollo, chicken piccata in New York and the rest of the world. It is a great dish for dinner. The family and friends will absolutely love it. It's tangy, it's tender, it's beautiful. The capers are salty. It is so easy and so delicious. You cannot pass this up. Go ahead and give it a try and let me know how you went with it in the comments below. Hey, once again, guys, if you like this video, give us those likes. And if you haven't done so yet, subscribe underneath, ring that bell. That way every week you come from my kitchen to your kitchen. Hey, once again, share the video with your family and friends and have a great week, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.